On the show Trading Spaces, designer Vern Yip constructs a triangular art piece for a bedroom. The length of the longest side is 2 inches longer than the length of the middle side. The shortest side is 14 inches shorter than the middle side. If the perimeter of the art piece is 60 inches, what is the length of each side? What we're going to do here is go through our 6-step process for problem solving. And the first step in problem solving is to identify what we're looking for. In this particular problem, we want to know the length of each side of the triangular art piece. So for step 1, identify, we want to know the length of each side. What we do is we give names to our unknowns. Here we actually have 3 unknowns. However, we can determine the lengths of 2 of the sides by knowing the length of the middle side. In other words, we know least about the middle side, so we're going to name that M. We can express the length of the other 2 sides using the length of the middle side. For example, the longest side is 2 inches longer than the length of the middle side. That tells us that the longer side is going to be the length of the middle side plus 2. So M plus 2 is the length of the longest side. In addition, we know the shortest side is 14 inches shorter than the middle side. So if we take the middle side and subtract 14, we get the length of the shortest side. Now that we have our 3 unknowns named, what we're going to do is translate this into a mathematical model. We know the perimeter of the art piece is 60 inches, and we know that the art piece is triangular. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the lengths of the 3 sides. And so we get A, we'll just call that the middle side, plus the longest side, M plus 2, plus the shortest side, M minus 14, has to equal the perimeter, which is 60. So there's our model for solving the problem. Now we go ahead and solve this particular equation, which is step 4. We can combine like terms on the left-hand side of the equation. M plus M plus M is 3M, and then 2 minus 14 is negative 12. So 3M minus 12 equals 60. Add 12 to both sides of the equation, and you get that 3M equals 72. Divide both sides of the equation by 3, and you get that M equals 24. And that's measured in inches. So the length of the middle side is 24 inches. Therefore, the length of the longest side is going to be 2 inches more than that, or 26 inches. So we'll call that the longest side. And the length of the shortest side is 14 inches less than M. So 24 minus 14 is 10 inches. So that's the shortest side. Now we want to verify that our answer is correct. Is the perimeter of the triangle 60 inches? In other words, does 24 plus 26 plus 10 equal 60? Well, 24 plus 26 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. So we do have a perimeter of 60. In addition, the relationship amongst the 3 sides is what was described in the problem. The middle side is 24 inches. The longest side is 2 inches longer than that. And the shortest side is 14 inches shorter than the middle side. The length of the three sides are 10 inches, 24 inches, and 26 inches.